We all have the same 24 hours in a day, unless you're a time traveler. Realistically, though, it's really about how we use them that makes a difference. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or like there's never enough time? I do at times. Well, you're not alone, but here's the secret. It's not about having time. It's about making time. Imagine what you could achieve if you used your time more efficiently. Think about your biggest goal, whether it's taking that exam, getting that dream job, or just spending more quality time with your loved ones. Time management is the key to making your dreams a reality. Here's a quick tip. Start by setting clear goals and priorities. Make a to-do list, and don't forget to break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Learn to say no when needed to avoid overcommitting. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's working smarter. Embrace tools and techniques that boost your productivity. So here's my question for you. How do you manage your time effectively? Please share your top time management tip in the comments below. Let's help each other make the most of our time. This is your most precious resource. With the right strategies and mindset, you can make every second count. Stay tuned for more tips on leadership and personal growth. Like and share, follow for more empowering content. Until next time, keep on rocking those goals. I'm Charlene Burke, your leadership coach.